Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Objective Mechanical Part 4. This is Part 5. Already up to Part 4 completed. This series is useful for RRB examination and IAS, PSU, State PSC and SSCG examination. Question is, a mandrel is used to hold an eccentric work, B a heavy work, C a thin work, D none of these. Eccentric, a thin work. A mandrel is used to hold a thin work. The oxyacetylene gas used in gas welding process produces a flame temperature of 2300 degree Celsius. For 3 flames, 3 different temperatures you will get. All are important. For carburizing flame, 2900 degree Celsius. Neutral flame, 3200 degree Celsius. And for oxidizing flame, highest temperature you will get 3400 degree Celsius. Match the following manufacturing processes with the manufactured products. A, B, E and F. D is drop forging. We already discussed drop forging for connecting rod. So D 3. So this one not possible. Then go for extrusion. E, it's for galvanized pipes. E4. Only B is possible. For other process you check. For B option, A1, investment casting turbine rotors is possible. Then die casting carburetor body. Then centrifuge casting, C is 5, cast iron pipes. Then F, cell molding turbine blades. So all options are following, so B is our answer. Question is, assignable variables in statistical quality control results in SQC. Assignable variables results in improper operation of the machine. B is our answer. One of the groups is not part of quality circle. Is not part of. Leaders is a part of. Management also part. Facilitators also part. Bankers. Bankers is not a part of quality circle. One of the following is a drawback in hydraulic drives. A drive is smooth. B, effect of temperature on oil viscosity. C, self-lubricating system. D, faster in reverse without shock. If temperature increases, then oil viscosity decreases. That is the drawback for hydraulic drives. B is the answer. Which of the following statements is correct? A, when slack of an activity is 0, it falls on critical path. This is correct. Then CPM technique is useful to minimize the direct and indirect expenses. This is also correct. Critical path of a network represents the minimum time required for completion of project. This one also correct. C option so many times asked in various examinations. So this is very important. So all are following. All of these are answer. This one also important. Slack 0 in critical path. Product layout is best suited when one type of product is produced. Is correct. Product is standardized. This is also correct. Product is manufactured in large quantities, mass production. So D is our answer. All follows. Two layouts are there. Product layout and process layout. Product layout for mass production. Process layout for batch production. Product layout also called line type layout or flow layout. And process layout, it's called functional layout. The difference already discussed in ISRO videos. The chart that gives an estimate about the amount of materials handled between various workstations is known as a flow chart, B process chart, C travel chart, D operation chart. Flow chart is three types: man type, material type and equipment type. For man type, it represents the sequence of activities performed by the worker. For material type, it represents the sequence of activities performed on the material or raw material. Flowchart for equipment type, it represents the sequence of activities performed by the equipment. And for travel chart, it represents the movement of material between various workstations. So in this question, estimate about the amount of material handled between various workstations. C is our answer, travel chart. Acceptance sampling is used in, this one already asked in IAS, ISRO and other PSU exams also. This is very important. Acceptance sampling for batch production. Gantt chart is used for, this one also so many times asked in IAS, around 4 to 5 times asked. PSU. So this is also important. Gantt chart is used for production schedule. C is our answer. Job evaluation. Job evaluation is the method of determining the relative values of a job, B workers' performance on job, C value of overall production, D worth of the machine. Job evaluation definition is, job evaluation is a systematic process of evaluating different jobs of an organization. It determines relative worth of a job. It only deals with the job. It is not deals with the worker's performance. For worker performance, merit rating we are using. This one. Both are important. Job evaluation and merit rating. Job evaluation only for job, and for workers performance merit rating. So A is our answer. Determines relative worth of a job. The aim of value engineering is to find the depreciation value of a machine, determine the selling price of a product, minimize the cost without changing quality of the product. This is the definition of value engineering. This is also important. Minimize the cost without changing quality of the product. Simplex method is used for A. Value analysis, B. Network analysis, C. Queuing theory, D. Linear programming. D is our answer, linear programming. The type of material handling equipment used for handling materials during manufacture of cement is bucket conveyor. For cement industry, bucket conveyor you are using. This question was already discussed. A critical activity is zero slack. This is very important. Critical activity, zero slack. So many times asked in IAS, public sector examination, SSC JEE, RRB. So critical activity has zero slack. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.